Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If anybody here has come looking for a sign, this is your sign. Just take it and start trusting yourself, because without that faith, belief in yourself, nothing is going to happen. Even if things happen, you won't be able to sustain with them. I feel like whether you have a way or no, what problem you're in, whatever is going on in your life, whatever dilemmas you have, first thing you have to do is trust yourself. Trusting yourself has to be your natural state of mind. If you can do that, you just have to worry about the solution and nothing else, because when you trust yourself, you remove one big part of the problem, okay? And it doesn't come easy. It has to be worked for, but I would say risk whatever it is. Take the chance, do whatever you have to prove to yourself that you are a trustworthy person, that you can handle, you are dependable for yourself. And stop worrying about what others have to say and everything like that. I feel like for a second, if someone else says that you can't do it, it's fine. It doesn't matter. But the day you say that I can't do it is the day you lose it. You lose a lot of things that you don't realize. So I just suggest that even as a joke, मत बोलो भाई, मत बोलो कि मेरे से नहीं होता, मेरे से, चाहे मजाक में एक बार के लिए ये बोल लो कि हाँ भाई मैं ही बेस्ट हूँ, मेरे से ही होता है, मेरे अलावा किसी से नहीं हो पाता, ये बोल लो. बट ये कभी मत बोलना कि मैं नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज जितना तुम ये बोलोगे उतना योर ब्रेन विल स्टार्ट टू बिलीव कि ठीक है नहीं हो पाता इससे, एंड देन द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट कैन बी सॉल्व्ड ऑल्सो बिकम so big. And bro, like, see, if there's a situation, it requires two things to work out. One is how hard you work to find a solution, finding the solution, and then luck, okay? But when you trust yourself, the first part of it becomes okay, because when you trust yourself, you know that you'll figure a way out, you know that you will find something, kaise jaise you will handle that, you will figure it out. And then luck, you can't say anything about it, right? किसी के पास सब कुछ होता है और उसके पास लक नहीं होता, और किसी के पास कुछ नहीं होता और उसकी लक चमक जाता है. So what I'm trying to say here is, understand that what is in your hand is the hard work, is the decision making, is the discipline, is the fact that whether you think you can make it or no. And I'm not kidding, human will can move mountains, it can do unimaginable things. Just try it, just try to trust yourself and see, do it as an experiment ki this 1 week I'm going to trust the fuck out of myself, and then you see what it changes. The places that you never thought of, the ways you never thought you had, things, pathways you never thought existed will start existing, will start coming alive. And that's what you need to do. As a human, it is your responsibility, bro, to trust yourself, because when you trust yourself, life becomes so much easier. And when you do that, everything becomes more fun, because you're not dependent on anybody else. Now, चाहे कोई दिल तोड़े, no matter who hurt you, no matter who says what about you, you know you trust yourself, you know you're there for yourself, you know you'll handle it. No matter what situation you're in, you'll come back alive. And I don't think there's anything greater than that. And I think that is the beginning and the end of everything. So take that call, take that leap of faith. You will never be 100% ready. Even when you're ready, you don't know if the luck will work in your favor or no. But work so hard that it should be impossible for you to fail. Impossible. Like, you should feel like कि भाई मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी है ना, अब तो कुछ मतलब अगर गलत गया तो शायद इससे बेटर ही कुछ आने वाला है, क्योंकि इससे कम मेहनत, मतलब बस वही बात है, ठीक है? तो हाँ भाई, बस खुश रहो, अच्छे मन से चीज़ें करते रहो, किसी का बुरा मत सोचो, अपना बहुत अच्छा सोचो और अपने मन से कभी मत हारो। जस्ट यू नेवर गिव अप, चाहे जो हो रहा है, जिस दलदल में फंसे हो, जो भसड़ मची है, मैं संभाल लूँगा, मैं संभाल लूँगी, मुझे सब आता है। मेरे को एक सेकेंड चाहिए टू फिगर एवरीथिंग आउट एंड देन आई विल फिगर दिस आउट। आई विल बी ऑल राइट, बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक आई विल फाइंड अ वे।